we have the demolition crew on site right now performing asbestos remediation. So they're pulling out all of that dangerous asbestos dust so that our team and everybody else in the neighborhood doesn't suck it in. And so that is getting done in the background right now. All the windows are taped off and whatever else, so we can't go into the house right now for obvious reasons. Nonetheless, this is where we're at today. We've got our amazing new banners on the fence. We've got some new banners coming that will look really cool in terms of, showing people in the neighborhood what this home is gonna look like once we're done with it, or pretty similar anyways. Not a lot to talk about today, to be honest with you, but nonetheless, I really like to document our projects and take you, the viewer, through the process of renovating and building homes. So today, I literally just parted ways with the electrical inspector. You can't see it, but behind the house there, in this particular home, the electrical runs through the backyard. And so we've got temporary service in place now, which just passed inspection. And so now we just gotta wait for hydro to come, swing the lines over to the temporary service, and then we can bring this house to the ground. So we're making fantastic progress here now that we've finally got our permits. And so, yeah, we're just continuing forward. I'm really looking forward to sharing the progress of this project with you. I hope you choose to like and subscribe, or like this video and subscribe to our channel. I like to, share what we do, how we do it, what we're thinking about, and maybe give you a little bit of an idea of what it's like to take a project like this from start to finish. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Take care.